So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Now, I know I have not hit 10,000 subscribers yet, so that means that I will be giving away the prize once I hit 10,000 subscribers. So subscribe so I can give away the prize. Okay, so it is going to be a Canon camera giveaway. This is the camera. It is my old vlog camera. I have a new vlog camera now, and the reason why I got this one is just because it doesn't have a flip out screen and I wanted to stare at myself while vlogging. So that's the only reason why I got a new one. There's nothing really wrong with this one. If you win the prize, it's gonna come with this camera, a battery pack, and the battery charger. So that's what's gonna be included in the giveaway. So now I'm gonna get into the rules to enter the giveaway. So first of all, you have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to turn on post notifications. Then you have to follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram. So then you have to retweet my pinned tweet on Twitter, and then you have to comment done in the comment section, and I will enter you in like a random comment generator thing to enter and choose my winner. Okay, so that's pretty much my whole giveaway thing. Hopefully people will want to enter to win this because I'm not using it anymore. So yeah. Okay, so that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I did every single person back, and my goal of the year is hit 30,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's the end of my video, so goodbye! So then you have to